Welcome everyone, good morning, wonderful, beautiful London morning here and everywhere. Or good evening if someone has an evening. That was a little bit stupid to say, but you know what I meant. How is everyone? Hope everyone is doing fine. Camille, Justin Wright, and Trader Oracle, welcome everybody. And applause. And VRC is here. Guys, thank you for joining. Push the likes, you know. 2 a.m. All right. So good morning. Good morning. 2 a.m. there. Oh, I was just watching the sorry if I was late, but I was watching the Tucker Carlson interview with Vladimir Putin, and I think it's very interesting, to say the least. All right. Seems like we're gonna have a fairly calm morning, and of course I think that we're gonna hit the 900 level most likely in the during the London session. I think I'd like to go long, actually. I just don't know if after market I don't know what's gonna happen after market open. I'm eager to go long. I'm just not sure how and when to do it. It should be the proper time. Maybe I'm a little bit crazy on this one, but I'm already feeling a little bit of FOMO here. Missed out the entry here on this fair value gap at 82. I can still jump in and target the 900s. What should I do? What should I do? I could jump in actually, but I won't. How is everybody? Long from 69. Okay, you're the winner. Actually, you're the winner. Long from 69. Dude, Maverick, good morning. So top 5, as always, is the winner. So he's killing the market, guys. Top 5 is the real deal. That is amazing. Push those likes and grab some Apex account. So, I'd still need to make some sales for this month. Anyway, So, by the way, some news came out yesterday that was all over Twitter. What the heck is this music, man? So it seems like that the prop firm space is gonna get shaken by meta quotes. Well, actually, those prop firms that are not using forex brokerages that are not so-called regulated. And I saw a video yesterday. I have to post it out to the chat because it's so well done. Let me check for in my YouTube history. I have to post it in the chat. If you guys want to review that video, I think this is something that you definitely have to watch, because this guy in this video, Funding Traders, his channel name, tells exactly what needed to be heard. Which one is the better, Apex or TOPSTEP? Apex. That's it. You wanted a fast answer? Apex is better. Apex is better. I would be having problems, and I still have problems trading normally without having the ability to trade with the micros, and the withdrawal process is I mean, not the withdrawal process, but 50% profit share. I don't like that. So, but the goal is actually the same. You should have to build your account up to 3,000 at least, and then you can take out whatever you want. But still, I'd go with Apex. And check out my funded futures as well. Dude, I haven't jumped into this trade, and I do feel the FOMO. We're gonna hit 900, that's for sure. I'm like 100% sure that we're going to hit the 900 level. So I'm going to post a video here. You can watch it later. It's from another guy, and he clearly tells the way like it should be told of what's happening with the prop firm space. And I do like this video. I like that it's raw. I think it's on the point. And I especially like the fact that he says that many of these MetaTrader, John Doe, welcome. Many of these MetaTrader prop firm CEOs are 20. Not that I have a problem with the 20-year-olds. I absolutely not. But these prop firms are basically marketing companies. And I'm gonna say it out loud. I don't care, because I hate the Funder Trader program and their CEO Angelo. That's a kid. He's making tons of money. I agree, but he doesn't have the background and the experience. Anyway, I'm just angry a little bit right now because not angry, but finally I have some kind of a excitement that finally people start to see that many of these prop firms which are using these unregulated MetaTrader platforms are actually not working for their traders' interests. And many of those prop firms are having marketing accounts and pushing their influencers, faking payouts and faking everything. So dude, that's like a huge marketing scheme. Anyway, what is the difference between Trader-Weight and Rhythmic? Well, the difference is other than that they're two different companies. They're both trading firms, trading through. Trader-Weight is actually owned by NinjaTrader, I think. NinjaTrader bought Trader-Weight. Rhythmic is a little bit quote unquote older, and not that it's bad. It's they are platform providers, and also you can open a trading account. I'm not sure about Trader-Weight. I think let me check it out. I think Rhythmic has the ability for you to open a trading account as well. They're trading platforms, but data providers and trading platform providers, basically like a bridge, kind of like. I use Quantower, and in Quantower the good thing that I like is that, so for example here there's a Quantower screen, and in Quantower I like the fact that I can connect to multiple prop firms and multiple accounts in one platform. You cannot do that with Trader-Weight. For example, if you open an account with the Trader-Weight access, you're not able to connect multiple prop firms, for example, or multiple accounts. Well, you can connect multiple accounts at the same prop firm, but anyway, I'm using Quantower. I was using NinjaTrader. I still have a NinjaTrader account with TOPSTEP, but I'm going to choose Quantower for the time being because it's the most simplest way to connect my accounts, and I do want to copy trade in groups in the future. So that's something I'm looking into. Damn it. The reason I'm not jumping into a long here because it can pull back any moment. For example, if I go down here to the 5 minute, I'm just a little bit scared that it can actually pull back any second after market open. So if that happens, I might go long, but I'm gonna find a better entry. And that's it. Yeah. Is there some kind of position size calculator on Quant Tower? Something similar that you had? Not really. I'm still searching for that. So what oh, that's not it. Oh, this is it. So what I use is actually a website. It's StoneX1, but you can Google. So for example, you choose I don't know, E-mini Nasdaq or micro E-mini. You put in the price, entry price, exit price, 5 micros, it calculates, and you will have your calculation. I know it's a little bit slower, but for now this is the only situation I see. Yeah. So this is what I use. Look at that. So if you go in with 5 micros at this one, you can make $150. Yeah. But Quant Tower is a little bit more modernized. This is a little hard to do while scalping. Well, you know, if you practice scalping, for example, you scalp the Nasdaq, then you should know that 1 micro is $2, right? So for example, if you scalp on the 1 minute and you want to enter at 85, for example here, 85, and your stop loss is going to be, for example, at 17, let it be 80, then you will know that if you enter with 10 micros, that's going to be, hold on, 85. With 10 micros, what the hell? Something's wrong with my computer. Oh no, it's going up. So anyway, if you enter with 10 micros, it's going to be $100. Just a simple math here. So entering at 85, it's going to be $100 stop loss right here. Or if you enter at 76, you make a fast calculation at 86 with 10 micros, which is 1 mini, it's going to be 200. So 5 micros is going to be 100 here. It's going to be $100. You know, if you practice it enough with micros, it will be simple. You just have to understand what is a price per point on micros or minis if you want to go mini, but I would not suggest that you should. Yeah, 17,900 top 5, definitely. We're gonna go there. 100% sure. That's a personalized guarantee. 17,900. That's a personalized guarantee. Personalized guarantee, guys. And I was a little late to catch this move. The optimal move maybe would have been here. And I missed the move. This was the move right there on the 5 minute. So ideally, you could have entered here, put your stop here, take profit up there, 1.6 R. There you go. And I missed the trade. Now I'm not going to enter. Market is opened, so we see a divergence here on the RSI. I don't really care about that. We're gonna go to 900, and there you go, 900. So we're through. And just saying, 5,029 is also in the bag. It's sealed. It's a personalized guarantee, guys, that we are going to go there. There you go. Free money. Congratulations. You deserve an applause. Top 5 is paying big balls here. Yeah, no problem there, Sarvesh. Guys, use my codes for new accounts if you can. Thank you. I'm glad that we have already 20 people. That's crazy. We're at 18k, so over. Yeah. And trust me, ES is gonna go to 29. 29 is in the bags. The question is, how do we get there? Are we going to go down a bit and then go there in the PM session? So this scenario can still be possible. Finally, cashed out, being in the trades for an hour now. Yeah, well, you know, being in a trade for more than an hour, that requires a really exceptional set of skills when we're talking about discipline. So guys, I'm just saying this is what's going to happen on ES. Mark my words. This is the scenario. So if you're just jumping into a long, be prepared that, you know, it can go down even way more down like this. So just, you know, be careful. But the final outcome is going to be this. This is what we're looking for on ES. And if ES is going to go up, NQ is still, look at it, it's already 9, 10. We are in uncharted territory. Absolutely. You know what I think? This is what I think. This is what I think, guys. Boom. There you go. Hey, Gaurav. Good morning. Or good evening, sorry. So, guys, that's the future of Nasdaq. It's a whole number. It's gonna go for it. Now, I'm not sure if it's going to do it today, although Nasdaq can do it in a second. 100 points for Nasdaq is basically nothing. We can see a huge spike to the upside. Top 5 is looking for shorts. Yeah, that's a way to go. But so ES is gonna go for buy side at 2022 January highs, and NQ is gonna go for the whole number of 18,000. That's the thing that we're looking for. So don't forget that. All right. I don't think I'm going to have a setup in any of. I mean, look at this. We made such a huge move. We are in uncharted territory. There is just no reason for us to jump into a trade at this point. So yeah. Interesting for sure. Interesting. Anyone is looking for any specific move? Top 5 is looking for shorts. I'm actually looking for longs. Damn, I don't know if I would have the balls to take a long here. Look at it. It's already dropping from 10 to 97. I am just gonna wait. Short from 07. Wow. This guy is, you know, top 5 is just killing it. Look at this. Top 5 is he just comes in here cashing out 900. Okay, let's just do some shorts, and he's just go short. No sweat, right? He's milking the market. Actually, top 5 is milking the whole market. Oh man. And I'm just sitting here and doing nothing. I was watching the Putin interview with Tucker Carlson. I mean the Tucker Carlson interview with Putin, and it's very interesting. I strongly advise everyone to go check it out on Twitter or X. Very interesting interview. I don't want to say anything specific because YouTube is controlled by the mainstream media and the deep state, so I don't want to say anything specific because YouTube is controlled. But you can check it out. You can check out the interview. You haven't been asleep yet? Wow. Small long here. I was thinking to go long as well, but you know, that would be the cherry on the top of the cake, you know, or top of the pie. How do they say? To put this into 18,000. West Coast, Seattle. Wow, that's a nice place. I think I've never been there, but oh man, I so excuse me, I'm so eager to travel around the US. I would really like to see some nice places there. The Grand Canyon, Las Vegas, California. I was in New York a long time ago once, but I like to go to Florida as well. Even to Alaska, maybe Alaska, to visit Alaska, or I don't know, Chicago. I want to see Chicago, Kansas, all these famous places. Although I don't know, someone said to me that there's nothing to see in Kansas. It's just a flat place with nothing there, but I would love to see. Out 250. Nice. You guys are just killing the market. I have no entries. You were 3 weeks ago in New York? Never again? Dude, I was in 2011, so that was like 13 years ago when I was in New York. And I was in December. Oh, I enjoyed it. I took a walk on the Brooklyn Bridge. I went to Brooklyn Park. I checked all the places. Top 5 took profits. Nailed a few points. Look at that. It might be going down a bit. Who knows? Made a new high. But what can be the target if it wants to go short again and reprice some areas? Not sure. I'm not into any trades yet. Was rebound of previous day high, a nice wick retest back to moving average. Yeah, what I'm looking here, or I'm trying to go for, is there's no entry on the Russell and no entry here. The RSI, which I'm looking, this custom RSI is definitely up here, and this one is not giving me any signal yet. The moving averages are pretty much collapsed, and it's still bearish, and the candle colors are pretty much, well, it's showing no volume or momentum, so I'm not gonna go with this. By the way, yesterday I had a losing day on this FTMO account, which I'm doing with the indicators, and so we also in the signal group we had a negative day. This is the account. So until this time I was having 260 day, 900, and I'm only risking less than $200 on a 50k account. So Win ratio is 50%. Average risk to reward is 1.6 almost. Profit factor is still good, 1.59. I made 900 minus 200, 600, almost 700 break-even day, and yesterday almost $500 in the negative. 6 trades yesterday, and I think only one of them were a winner. So it is what it is, but I'm over 3%. This is a test account, so it's not a real challenge. This is just a test, but I'm doing this to have more information for you guys when I'm going to release this video about these indicators that I'm trading. Equity curve is still healthy, I think. So this drawdown is a healthy drawdown. Consistency score is good, and that's it. As you can see, on average, I was losing less than $200, 150, 138, and the average winner was $300, $400. So I was really holding it for the bigger winners. Average losses less than 200, 300, 200, 200, 300, 400, almost $500. So I'm trying to use proper risk management on this account, and not just trying, I am using. And so far I'm very pleased with the results. I'm already up 3%. By only trading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trading days, up 3%, and I'm risking less than 0.5%, actually around 0.4% risk per trade. And I think that's a good result. So if you guys are interested in the indicator, subscribe and check out my video. It's going to come out real soon. I just needed some more information. If we see 910, do you think quick long? I don't like breakouts. I don't like the breakout strategy that much. I was burning myself a lot with breakout strategies. So if you're saying that after 910 just go to at least to the 50s, it's a possibility. I'd like to see more pullback. So what I would like to see on Nasdaq right now, I'm going to show you. I would like to see this during the London session, and then maybe somewhere something like this. But I like to see some kind of a pullback down there. That's what I'd like to see. Optimal scenario for me. Long from 98. Nice. Long from 98. All right. Top 5 is... I'm telling you guys, top 5 is just milking this. By the way, I just got an email, multiple emails from YouTube that... So I was playing this music in the background for many weeks or even months now. And I'm starting to push this channel to be able for ad revenue. Of course, because I'm trying to do this as a partial income stream. And and I'm still having the playlist on my Spotify that it says, also the author says that it's copyright free content, just to have some kind of a music in the background. And now YouTube claims that the author has started to change the copyright, and they are claiming that nobody else can make revenue from those videos or streams. Tiny profits. Yeah. Tiny profits. And so they're cutting off my streams and videos where I was using copyright free background music. Right, for example, right now this music is from Harris Heller from Stream Beats, and he's a nice guy. He's providing many playlists, but I'm not even sure if I want to if I want to use background music in the future for my live streams, because YouTube can cut it off at any given second. So I might be going to turn off music in the future on live streams. We're just gonna be sitting in the quiet. I like to have some lounge music, you know, in the background, just chill out. But maybe I'm gonna cut the music. Nothing is happening, guys, and I think we're done for London. No, don't worry, I've not done it, but I think that's it for London. So good luck, everyone. Really, I think that's it for London. Okay, look at the Russell. That's interesting. I know you guys hate the Russell. Nobody likes it. I know. Look at it. We can go down here. Where can we go? We can actually go down quite a lot. All the way down to 72. Who knows? Let me check my indicators from the future. We have... Alright, we might be having something on the Russell. We might be having something here. What the hell is going on here? 84. Ah, yeah. The volume is too... it's just small distance. I'm not jumping in. We're gonna wait. Gonna have to wait more. Okay. Guys, this is exactly the situation where there's nothing to do. I mean, I don't know. The only one person who can make money here today is top 5. Other than that, I'm not sure if there's a possibility to make profits here. Serdar, hey there. Good morning, good morning. Yeah. So in these kind of market conditions, it's just not possible. Only top 5. Still long. My trader weight evaluation account was revoked. What do you mean by revoked by Apex? What happened? What happened, Serdar? Come on. What hell? I want to know because I had no issues with Apex so far, so I really want to know what happened. What is going on with Apex? Is it gonna be what's going on with the prop firm space? Oh, I'm not worried about it, but it's really disturbing. Why did they revoke you? Revoked your account. You were YOLOing too much, or what was happening? Look at this. Top 5 deserves an applause again. You know, since the stream started, top 5 just came in and says, okay, I'm long from 69 or whatever. I think that was it. And then I'm short from 907. Okay, and then I'm long from, I don't even know where, from 98. And he's just killing it, you know. I called Trader and I talked to customer service. That's what he told me. I will find out. I'm not sure. What the hell could have happened, Serdar? I don't know. That's interesting, though. I don't think you violated any kind of rule because on the evaluation accounts, you can do whatever you want. I think you can even trade for news. You do whatever you want on evaluation accounts. I don't know. I heard stories that if someone was paying with someone else's credit card, then there was an issue and they had to refund. I think that's the only thing I heard. But top 5, if you had it at break even, wouldn't that make you out? I don't know what was. Maybe he wasn't at break even. It is. I don't trade. Okay, then. So if it's an evaluation account, that there's no reason for them to revoke it, because basically, in an evaluation account, they have no risk at all. It is your account. Okay, I mean, of course it's your account, but what I meant to say is that I heard a story where Apex disabled an evaluation account because it was using some kind of a shady credit card or something. That's the only thing I heard so far, but I don't think that's the issue. Serdar, please, if you have an email back from Apex anytime in the future, today or tomorrow, on Monday, let me know about the results. I'm curious about what happened, what could have been their problem, because I think Apex is a trustworthy company. Yeah, I mean, that's another reason. Must be an Apex problem. I can't find my 2 eval as well, but my 10 PLs. It could be a technical problem though. So let's just not, think anything harsh. It could be a technical issue at Apex. So until they don't respond properly, there's no. Yeah, so Serdar, what I think? I think it can be a technical issue. It can be something on their side. Rhythmic was having problems lately at my funded futures too, and at BULENOX. There were some data issues, and I experienced it. Maybe Apex doing some house cleaning. I don't know. Must be technical. So I was having some issues through the Rhythmic connection. So maybe Apex is I don't know. Maybe they just resetting some connections, and that's why they technically had to revoke that current connection, and then they will give you another one. I don't know. So let's just wait for it. Yeah, I never had any problem. Oh, sorry. Yeah, trade weight is no Rhythmic. Yeah, what I meant to say is that I know. Trade weight is not Rhythmic. What I meant to say that the other day, of course, it's not Rhythmic. Yeah, I'm sorry. I walked into that one, but not on purposely. I just meant to say that I was having a problem and I couldn't log into my account. There was some issues. So what I meant to say is that TradeWeight could be having also some kind of a connection issue. It happens to every platform provider, I guess. Took profits. Okay, so today officially top 5 is making bank right now. I think top 5 you should be done for Friday by now. You should just walk away and enjoy the day, because you're pretty much done. Man, I was sometimes I peek into looking for short. Look at this guy looking for a short. We will see. For now, issue a ticket. Yeah. That's that. I think it's a technical issue, nothing major. So oh peeps, I love this shit. Oh my god, look at that. It's going up. I have no reason to step in. I don't see my setup here. And if I don't see my setup, I just can't. I can't enter. This place right here is uncharted territory. It really is. There's nothing here. Nothing. Absolutely nothing up here. Look at that. What did I tell you guys? 18,000, and ES is almost making historical high at 529. I wouldn't be surprised if it does it before New York. You know, it's, thank God it's Friday. Damn, it took off, but you know, don't feel, oh my God, look at this, we're ripping to the 20s. I'm telling you, this is where we're going. I don't have an entry. The only thing what we can do is observe. Except top 5. He has some kind of information from the future or something. I don't know. I don't know how he does it. I think he's insider trader or something. Has some connections with some deep state hedge funds. That's the only explanation how top 5 can make money in these markets. And you know, if I would have to bet my money, I think top 5 definitely has some connections with the deep state hedge funds. Some, you know, someone from BlackRock maybe. I don't know. Otherwise, I have no freaking idea how he's making money in these markets. Yeah, took profits too early. Yeah, yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. Yeah. I'm telling you guys. Or, so either way, top 5 has a connection with BlackRock or some hedge funds. So that's the one explanation. The second explanation, actually we have 3 explanations. Second explanation is that top 5 is ICT. I know, small chance, but still. Third explanation, and I think this is the explanation that suits the best. I think top 5 is from the future. I believe in time travel. I think it's a real thing. We have proof that time travel exists. I saw a picture from a guy from the 1800s with a mobile phone, and I'm quite certain that that's the real explanation. My own playlist, sure, top 5. That's what I would say too. Yeah. My account has been cancelled. Out of the blue, straight away. What the hell? Everybody's having problem with TradeAway? What is going on? What is going on with TradeAway? So who is, everybody's having problem with TradeAway right now? I see guys on YouTube and they understand the cycles and then get out of the almost best moments. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, of course. Yeah, Joey. A top 5 is something special. He knows something. So what am I seeing here? Nike says that he has a TradeAway issue. What's going on here? Okay, so then what's the problem with Apex? Other blue. Nike, are you having your account through Apex or some prop firm, or is it your personal account with TradeAway? Let me know, because it seems like we have at least 2 or 3 persons here who are having issues with the TradeAway through Apex. In my case, I use several times TradeAway. It moves so fast up and down, and sometimes yeah, I heard that before. Actually, I didn't have too many problems with TradeAway. But the other day I was trading my TOPSTEP funded account with NinjaTrader, and NinjaTrader was lagging so much that my order was executed like literally seconds after I was pushing the button. So having through Apex. Okay, then I think it's confirmed. NinjaTrader is better than TradeAway, but still I had some issues with there. I used TOPSTEP. Okay, so it seems like Nike just confirmed that he's using Apex. I think Apex could be having some connection or technical issue through TradeAway. So Serdar said it, that he had the same. So I think you guys should be opening up a ticket at Apex, and there should be a reasonable explanation for this. I think it's 90%, 99 almost, well, at least 95% sure that it's a technical issue. It should be a technical issue. But not TradeAway. Apex has some issues. Maybe, I mean, from their end, maybe by creating or maintaining the accounts. Or it can be just as simple as like Apex didn't pay the data for TradeAway. I don't know. So that's why I'm saying that the PA accounts are fine. So maybe the evaluation account generation or creation has some problem. Who knows? That's why. Yeah. I understand. It should be. It's 95%. It's a technical issue. It should be solved. Well, maybe not in the next 10 minutes, but during the New York AM session, I think they should get ahead of this. It's definitely an Apex issue. By the way, yeah, customer service, it was Apex. Okay, then open a ticket with Apex. Definitely open a ticket with Apex. Ask them what's happening. They should know about the situation by now. But still, it's better to open a ticket so you will have something to refer to in the future. It's lovely. It's lovely at the top of the Nasdaq. Yes. Not today, maybe. I'm not sure if today. But Joey, I tell you this. It's coming. It's coming. And also, this is coming too. On ES. It is in for Apex account until... Okay, so on your Apex dashboard, it already has been removed from Apex dashboard, right? I opened the ticket. All right. So if they removed it from your dashboard on the website, then it must be something that they already know of and they're working on it. I am in and stay in right to the moon. Well, you know, I think we have every chance to go to 18,000. Although I'm not sure today. I want to see, I'm sorry to say this, Joey, but I want to see a pullback. I want to see a pullback. I definitely want to see a pullback somewhere into this area right there. I want to see that. I have no entries today, guys. I'm flat. I didn't enter into anything. Same here, removed from the dashboard as well. 2 evals with profit each. Wow. Now that's a little bit annoying, you know, especially if you have $6,500 profit. That's a little bit annoying. I think Apex already knows about it. They should do something about it. Or maybe they are just updating something. It's interesting though. I don't know what could be happening. Hope they will figure it out soon. Look at this, how close we got. I'm thinking to YOLO this. Oh, come on. I'm thinking to YOLO this account. With 2 contracts, $600. Not a big deal, actually. I would be only risking $600. On the BULENOX account, I cannot go with more than 2 because it's an option to scaling account. Maybe I can go with 2 minis. I'm thinking to jump in with 2 minis, and I'm going to let it float even if it goes down there. And I'm going to leave it for the whole day. I'm just going to leave it to float the whole day. I'm not going to put a stop loss. I'm going to let the daily limit put me out, which is $1,000. Because then it would let me to go down even here. And I want to see if until market close we're going to hit the 529. So that's going to be 2 mini contracts on a 50k evaluation account. What do you guys think? Thinking to YOLO it. Should I survive? Should I sacrifice? Come on, man. Sacrifice my daily loss limit on a 50k account just to gain $600 from this one with 2 minis? Or what should I do? No, don't worry. I'm not going to sacrifice it. Guys, we are at uncharted territory. Gambling is good once in a while. Yeah, this would be pure gambling. If I would do this right now, this would be nothing sort of smart trading. This would be just pure gambling. That we will take out the historical high. Yeah, if I would gamble here, I think it would still hover all the way until. So this is what would happen. I would enter a full port gamble trade here. This is what would happen. So that's what would happen if I would enter to buy. Yeah, dollar index, it can go lower. It can definitely go lower. There, look at this beautiful fair value gap on the 4 hour. If it goes lower, that's gonna push ES. But you know, for now, look at this scenario. If I would enter a buy here, this is what would have happened. So but ES is ready to take out that historical high. Please subscribe to the channel and push the like button, guys, and also grab your discount at Apex. And also My Funded Futures has a very good deal for you guys. Check out my link and use the code FEB10 or FEB15 or FEB20. With the starter accounts, there is no activation fee. So the best deal in the whole prop firm market in futures right now is with My Funded Futures, because you can get a 50K account for $90. I know it's more than at TOPSTEP or more than at Apex or BULENOX, but for $90, you are going to get it without activation fee. No activation fee. So lifetime access, which is actually a good deal. For a 50K account, that's an end of day trailing. Just saying, end of day trailing, $90 with activation fee. That's the best deal. That's the best deal. So check my link in the description. Register. If you can also try out my code TOMSABO, because short from oh man, short from 921. This guy is just killing it. Guys, I think because you know, top 5 is a great trader, we all know that, and but sometimes in life you have to make difficult decisions, and you know, no monthly fee on My Funded Futures. So if you go there, and by the way, if you're a new client, if you're a brand new customer, use my link. Not just saying because, but use my link and try out my code TOMSABO, because if you're a brand new customer on the starter account, I don't know if they still have this promo, because last time I checked they had it. So if you're a brand new customer, you can have a 40% discount from the starter account, and right now they don't have an activation fee on the starter account. So if you go register with My Funded Futures, your first account, your very first account, is going to have, I think, not sure, but I think a 40% discount, or maybe even 50. If not, then try to use the code FEB10 or FEB15 or FEB20, because no activation fee right now at My Funded Futures. And you know, counting the true cost of these accounts, My Funded Futures has the cheapest option right now. So, and if you're brand new, again, if you're a brand new customer, but I don't know if they still have that promo, you can try out my code TOMSABO. On base, it gives you a 5% discount, but try it out. Maybe it will give you a 40% discount. Not sure. 921 is a VIB. Yeah, so as I was saying, 100 tick chart gives you a lot. I was using the tick charts too for a lot of time, and actually the other day I was talking about this. I might going to go back and use some tick charts. So as I was saying, we come to difficult decisions in life, especially when, you know, we're traders. And 30 second, yeah, that's good too. So we have traders on the stream, for example, top 5, who just comes in and makes money, right? So just comes in, takes trades, all of them are winners, and you know, you congratulate him, you know, after the first or the second one, but you know, after he's making like his 5th or 6th take profit trade, or he's just, you know, milking the cow like crazy, it becomes annoying, you know. So then you have to make those decisions by pushing the ban button, you know. So I don't really want to do this, but I might just have to ban him because he's making more profit than I am. Like, I just I'm just kidding, you guys know that. Top 5 is killing the market today, so Top 5 is killing the market. Yeah. So we have to make those decisions, and that's it. So I'm having a notebook here, and you know, I never wanted to show this, but I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put here your name. Okay. Streamer host. Okay, sorry. Stream viewer top 5. Stream viewer top 5 versus stream host 5-0. Okay. How you said top 5? Okay, top 5. Okay. Duly noted. All right. Oh man, he's killing it. He's killing it. I have Nebula on my 2000 tick chart. You have Nebula. All right. All right. He has Nebula. Oh. Do I have tick chart here on Trade08? I don't, right? Of course, I don't. I have to check it at Quant Tower. Let him live trade. No, I like that he's here. I like top 5. He's a cool guy. But you know, after the stream, I would require some profit share. You know, just you know. But at least that's the minimum. Sorry. Okay. Let me check my tick charts. Where is the tick chart? Tick chart. Tick chart. Tick chart. So you're using the 100 tick chart. All right, you can play that game. All right, you want this. Now you're gonna have it. Data is loading. All right, there you go. There you go. You want a tick chart? You're gonna get it. Otherwise, I don't have any trades right now at this moment. Although I'm gonna check it real quick. No, I don't have anything right now. I'm looking at the Russell because I still see some potential in the Russell to go higher, to go to the 2000s. So I'm willing to take a long on it, but only if I have my setup. Yesterday we had a beautiful trade on stream on Russell. It was a beautiful one. And now I'm just hoping that, I think it's still here, right? Is it here? Oh, this was the trade, yes. So this was the trade yesterday in New York session. I put it to break even when it was here after the bond auction, and it hit the take profit beautifully. So this trade was taken yesterday on stream. This was a beautiful trade. It took for actually 1.5 hours, more than 1 hour and 36 minutes until we reached it, but it was an interesting trade. Trade08 just emailed me and told me to email to Apex and find out why it was revoked. Okay, so then we should be looking for answers at Apex. Maybe they have some issue for the eval creation process. with trader weight. That still could be a connection issue or a database issue, you know, something with their database. Or I'm not surprised because I love Apex, but their website is made in 2002. So they were still using Netscape browser when they were making that. So but I love Apex. So far, they were good to me, so no problem with them. Despite this issue this morning, I hope they will resolve it, but I think it's a technical thing. What was I wanted to do? Oh yeah, I wanted to add some indicators to the chart. How do I add indicators to Quantower? Because there's so many platforms. Sometimes it's just almost impossible. Indicators, add indicator. Oh yeah. Exponential moving average. Okay. Okay. All right. I'm just setting up some charts here on the 100 tick chart. Apex is easy going. Yeah. Time shift. We don't need time shift. Okay. So I'm just updating my chart. This is a tick chart because I want to make profits like top 5 does. I want to be like him. Indicators, add indicator. Exponential moving average. I'm gonna go to 54. And I'm gonna go with something light. So maybe not that one. Okay, that's better. Close. All right. I also need an RSI. Indicators, add indicator. Come on. Oh, yeah, I have to buy a license for that. All right. All right. RSI. Maybe I buy a license. This function requires a paid license. Max indicators per chart. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. You know, just for the sake of it. There you go. RSI. Adaptive. Okay. Put the VWAP. I don't really use the VWAP. I pretty much narrowed down my strategy with these exponential moving averages. But add indicator. I'm just curious how they do it in the smoothed indicator. Okay, that's good. I like the smoothed one. 54 is good for me for now. Do they have a gap indicator? No. Oh no. I just disabled my... There you go. I thought that I closed my Nasdaq browser. Definitely better than 1 minute chart. Yeah, I was trading with the tick charts many times before. Many times. And I was also using, I don't even, not the 100, I was using maybe the 300 or something like that. So it's definitely a good thing. I agree. There was a nice entry at 904. Yeah. So right now I'm still waiting for this one to go lower. And the Russell is still there. Okay. 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 Well, you know, if there's no volume, then the tick chart is definitely gives you better understanding. Did you get the chance to find out info about trade day? No, I haven't. No, I haven't said that. I'm sorry. I will read into the details more. The trade day. They seemed interesting, so I will dive into that. Because we are at uncharted territory, I have no entries for now. The only entry I might have would be on Russell, but no, I don't have an entry there. Nothing so far. Nasdaq is pulling down a little bit, not too much. Hold on, let me add the chart here. Just a second. I'm just checking my charts. There. Just doing some minor settings, don't worry about me. Okay. There you go. Oh, there's a dog barking outside. Nice. Nice. What else do we have? Nothing. It's on Patrick Graham prop firm list. Do you know anything about the company? No, I don't, not really. It is based in Chicago. Well, you know, if it's based in Chicago and they're registered, that's all that matters. At least you guys don't have to worry about them of being shut down, like some unlicensed MetaTrader prop firms are gonna get shut down. I mean, it's a little bit crazy from MetaCodes to ban US traders through their platform that are using unlicensed MetaTrader prop firms. That's crazy. I don't know how the funded trader or others are going to match the situation, but I think they're pretty much done. And as for FTMO, that's a good question. FTMO so far is being protected because they're in Europe, but if I were FTMO, I would move all my shit to Dubai and find a totally different license provider. I don't know, establish my own brand or something. I don't know what they're doing exactly in the background, but I think they are already preparing this. I hope everybody made a boatload of money. I'm going to catch. Yeah. Now, see, guys, he's just poking us right now. All right, top 5. I think you made your point and you made a huge profit today. Have a good night's sleep, and everyone, huge applause for top 5. He was killing the market today. He's a market killer for sure. What a trader. All right. Seems like it that NQ is maybe shifting. How can I save a template? I don't know how to save a template, but I will figure it out later on. View, open price, export, reload, refresh. I don't know. I don't know how to set this template. There's not many entries right now. Uncharted territory right now, dumping back down a little bit, not too much. Okay. Save as template. Is there an option like that? No. No. I can't save it as template. That's crazy. Okay, NQ still lowering down. Back to the 900. Templates. Okay. Okay, I'll try that. Trading portfolio, templates. I don't know how to apply them. Quant Tower sometimes makes life difficult. We have no entries, by the way. However, I would like to find a nice entry. There's just nothing here. The only thing we can look for is maybe a short, but the thing is that, well, the 3-minute made the market structure shift, but then we would have to wait for it to go back to 908 and maybe try to go from there, but not sure. Yeah, but how do I save? I don't know how to save a template here. Maybe I can't have more templates? Maybe the problem is that I'm limited to the templates. Does prop firm let you do what? Does prop firm let you do short entry? Of course. Of course they let me. Of course they let me do that. I could short anytime I want. I could short this if I want to. If you mean futures prop firms, definitely. Definitely, you can short it if you want to. I just don't, I didn't have the opportunity or the entry to go short. So that's why. If anything, I would go long if I would have the opportunity though, but you can definitely short if you want to. Okay. So I removed. Still can't save it. I don't know why. I have no idea why I cannot. Or maybe so if I open here, Oh, I know why. Okay, now I know what's happening. Okay, I figured it out. I figured it out, guys. Okay, nice. Buy high, sell low, actually. Yeah. I really have no entry here. I wish I have, but I don't. There's just nothing. The only thing I'm watching right now is the Russell. If I would have a market structure shift here, I know you guys don't care, then maybe I would go for it. But I need price to close above like this, and I need the next 1 minute candle to leave a small fair value gap. But now it's not closing, it's just, you know, poking with the lightsaber. That's all it does. I want to see an up close candle, but it's not gonna happen, not in the next 10 seconds. So that's it. Now we have to wait another at least 5 minutes. Yeah, so that's off the table. Yeah, I've seen him. Yeah, I've seen Cami. I've seen him. I think he's still on the mission to trade only with micros. I'm doing the same, by the way. I mean, not the strategy, but the goal is also to build up an account from micros. Basically, sweep of Asian range and reversal. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. Excuse me. Okay, what do we have? Nasdaq is dumping below 90. Where do we go from here? I wonder. No entry, nowhere. I think we should go down all the way to 78. Could be happening. Okay, NQ is getting a little bit stronger. Now we see some kind of a move on the Russell. I'm getting ready for this. M2 4K. Ten more seconds. 87. It's gonna be at 87. Okay. All right. Placing some limit orders here. In case we would get filled. Okay, I got filled. Okay, so I got a trade on Russell. Just give me a second. I can see if I can put this to the Discord server too. Maybe I won't be able to put this on normally. Okay. Then, right. Load the settings. Come on, load it, load it, load it. Okay. Come on, it's gonna take forever. Nice. All right, sent it to Discord. I'm in officially a long trade on the Russell. Let me check my entry again. My entry is 1987, sorry. 1987. My stop is 84.5. 84.5. Okay, so this is my entry. TP limit at 92. Yeah, 92. All right. So that's my trade on the Russell. Okay. This is my trade on the Russell. I did one trade, bought high and sell low. I'm done till New York session. In your opinion, to trade with clear plan or discretion? It's a good question, by the way, Maverick. It's one of the best questions so far. Better to trade with a clear plan or discretion? Well, I'm going to, by the way, I'm going to talk, hold on. I'm going to write this down. Give me a minute. Trade with a plan or discretion. I wrote it down because I think if you have a plan is helping you against confusing yourself. If you're trading with discretion, then if you don't have enough chart time or experience, you can mess up your own mind pretty easily. You can confuse yourself pretty easily. If you have a set of rules, let it be just indicator, and that's what I'm going to talk about in my next video. Using indicators, I'm just gonna say it with indicators as an example. For example, if you're using indicators as a plan, because that's a plan, you know, if this and this, you know, shows up, then you're enter a trade. If you know that you have an edge, then trading with indicators sometimes is better instead of discretional trading, because trading with discretion can mess up your mind when the market is you know, confusing or all the way messed up. If you have a plan should also help you to decide when not to trade. You know, narrows down the opportunities to a certain window when to take a trade. So in the past few weeks and few months, I was actually pretty much thinking the same thing. And you know, trading with the plan helps you to stay disciplined and not messing up your mind, I think. I trade when I see an opportunity. I'm not sure if it's a good idea or have a plan. Yeah, so that's another thing. So, many times I see price going for a certain point. For example, I see that, okay, the Nasdaq is gonna go that extra 5 points because it's just so close to a certain point that, you know, that's when the gambler kicks in a little bit, at least on me. So I see, okay, Nasdaq is going to do that 5 points or 8 points or 10 points. It's definitely going to go there. So you know it. Your gut feeling tells me that it's definitely should be going there. So you're eager to push the button. But many times happened, like I was so sure, okay, let's go in. And just 2 points or 3 points or whatever, just before the finish line, it turned back, turned around, and went exactly the opposite way. And it totally messed up my thinking. My self-confidence was thrown out the window. And I started to feel bad that, oh man, I don't like this. How stupid was I to just jump in? It was so close, but I missed it. So you're starting to hurt yourself emotionally. You're going to be hurting yourself, like, how stupid was I to jump in, blah, blah, blah. All those bad feelings, depression and everything is going to come to you because you were... Again, I'm not saying it's a bad thing to trade discretionally, but that requires years of experience and chart time and exceptional risk management, a really unique risk management. But I mean, as ICT says it, if it goes against you, many traders, even I am, we're just standing there like a deer in a headlight, you know, just stand there like, and you're hoping, you're removing your stop, or whatever, and you're hoping that it's going to turn around and you're going to reach your TP. And like the deer in the headlights, we're just staring at it and like, oh my God, what is happening? So if someone is a discretionary trader, that person should have the exceptional risk management ability and the guts to cut the trade at the very second when he sees that, okay, it's not good, and he just, you know, he cuts the trade with a small loss. That's it. You need that skill. If you don't have that skill and you still recognize yourself, you know, like the deer in the headlights, then you should be having a plan. And I'm not ashamed to say it, that I had many of those situations, even the past couple of weeks. Yeah, recently. I was just sitting here and like a zombie. Oh my God, I hope he's going to turn around. And I move my stop and I burn myself. And that's not good. Having a plan is going to tell you, okay, man, this is it. This is where you definitely have to exit. And if you know your plan, you know your edge, then trust it, execute the system, and you will be fine. Anyway, yeah, that's exactly the thing. A plan stops you from being in that state of confusion. With the plan, you're just waiting for a setup. With discretion, you're always wondering. Exactly, Maverick. That's why I wrote down your question, because I'm going to talk about it in my video. I know many of you guys are professionals and you trade discretionally. I understand it. I sometimes I do as well. But if I check my trading journal and my past results, I don't even have to go back far, just the past few weeks. Most of my bad trades came from discretional trading. Like, I tried to scalp it with a bigger position size, or I thought I see something that it has to go there, and it didn't. And it's not a problem when it not goes there. The problem was also, at least for me, that I was not having the strength to exit that trade. So I was letting my losers run, you know, and my winners, I closed it early. So that's still a huge problem. I have to fight it. So yes, the short answer, I know I preached all this thing, but the short answer for me, I like trading with the plan. So I could have done like top 5, he's a professional, and I'm really not, I don't know if he's a professional, but no sarcasm here. He had the guts because he had the feeling that we're gonna go. I told you guys at the beginning of the stream here that we're gonna go to 900. I was so sure of that, and I didn't take a trade. I didn't take a trade here. I was talking about it, guys. We are definitely going to go to 900. It's like, I'm so sure of it. We're gonna reach it in London session, sometime in London session. So I was eager. My fingers were like, oh my god, I am going to push the button, and I'm even going to add some extra position there. But I didn't, because I burned myself so many times, so many times. I added a position here, and I know we're so close, it could have just happened like this. I added position here and boom. And maybe in the New York session it goes up. So I burned myself so many times in moves like this. So top 5, so nothing negative. He had the guts as a discretional trader to jump in, and there was an uncharted territory up here. Totally uncharted territory here. Nobody has been here before, like in Star Trek, you know. Top 5 was Captain Kirk. You know, it could have just gone up straight, you know. But he just entered to a short, made profit. Nice. And then he entered to a long and made profit. Nice. I can't do that. I can't. I just can't. So even that we had the fair value gap here on the 5 minute, this up here was uncharted territory. I had no idea where we're going. I need targets. I need some kind of a target. I know we have the 18,000 level up there, but nobody has been there before. So I don't know if we're gonna go there for sure. Despite the fact that I'm talking about it, I don't know. So I need a plan. I need it to go down back to the EMAs, for example. I need a target. I need some levels here. I cannot enter a trade. When I know there are some levels and targets, I'm going to take it with a fair value gap. But that's a plan. Discretionally trading, if you have the balls and you have an exceptional risk management, then you can do what top 5 did. And he did great. That's it. All happened this morning. It's real. All right. Agree, you need chart experience and have a stop loss. I think risk percentage is the same. My plan is buy the dip, sell. Yeah. Or buy high, sell low. Tom has PT. Oh my god, this is great. Tom has PTSD. Guys, I have to. That was good. I think I do have PTSD. Oops. I do. Push the likes. Oh. How do they say this? I can't find the word in English. I have to use translator. I have to use a translator. Hiccup. I have hiccups. That's what they say, right? I have hiccups. I have hiccups because of Camille. Camille. Oh man, that was good. That was great. Hey Tom, it's only prop firms money. Exactly, Marco. Exactly, Marco. That's there's the point right there. There's the point right there. It's only prop firm money. Not even money. It's just a demo account anyway. So it's not a life-changing thing. But you know, I'm not just looking at the account as a prop firm account. Hey, tell me, I tried discretion for a long time, but what happened is I go into phases where I would catch all the losses. Of course, we all been there, Maverick. So I have like 10 Maverick, I was at the same position. I was at the exact same. I went there, I had like 8 or 10 losses in a row because my discretional trading. There is a saying in my country, if you get burned by a stove, all stoves are scary. Exactly, exactly. So I got burned so many times. That was the example I was using. As I was saying, in the beginning, we were talking here at the London Open. And I told you guys, we're going to go to 900. Of course, it was very reasonable to go there, but I could have entered to a long here, but I burned myself so much in the stove that I said, no, that's playing with fire. I'm not going to play with fire because 8 out of 10 times, you know what happened? 8 out of 10 times I entered here, went well, and then boom. And then later on, it went to the target. So this is what happened 8 out of 10 times with me when I entered in a situation like this. Now this morning it turned out right, but this is what happens when I enter here. And here at this point, I am the deer in the headlight. I'm hoping and praying as it goes against me. I'm praying and praying and praying. And no. So I'm not doing it anymore. I know many of you guys have the guts and the balls to do that, but that is something else I want to talk about. Never move the stuff, never over risk, but still, yeah. Sometimes you even mistake a stove for a microwave. Yeah, that's a lot of... Oh, come on, man. That's a lot of PTSD. That's a lot of PTSD. Oh yeah, it is. It is. It is. Oh man. Oh, yeah, that is. That is. So I forgot what to say. But yes, those were bad times, and 10 losses. I wanted to say something. 10 losses in a row. Yeah, something was on my mind. I wanted to say something about that. Forgot. So now I have dementia too. So PTSD and dementia. I learned a lot from prop firms. They are, oh yeah, that's what I wanted to say. They are a plus for me as a trader. I get chart experience without risking my money. We also have a saying, if you get burned by a stove, you lose your head and blow the account. yeah, exactly. So yeah, what I wanted to say is it's only prop firm money, right? So it's only prop firm money, and but still, if I treat it like it's only prop firm money, who cares? I'm not saying I disagree with you. I'm just saying if I say, oh, hey, it's only prop firm money, who cares? Then that is not the mindset I'm chasing. So by trading with the prop firm money, I also want to respect my account, like because it could have been my own money in the future or whatever. So I want to build up my mind and my subconscious mind that even if it's prop firm money, I don't want to build up a gambling habit to these prop firm accounts. Because if I go into a prop firm account with, okay, it just cost me like $50 or $100, who cares? If I blew it, it's just another $50, right? It's just another $100. I don't care, it's just $100. So that kind of mindset is going to put you into, it's not going to make you a real trader. It's going to put you into a gambling habit, which is not a bad thing. I said it before. You can be a professional gambler. You can be someone who tries to find an edge against the prop firms. But I'm not. That's not my goal. My goal is to learn ultimately how to build up capital and build up an account. And prop firms, of course, perfect vehicle for that. And so I know it's only prop firm money and it's only $100 or $50 or whatever, but I still try to treat it with the best and as much respect as I can to preserve and protect capital, even if it's just a demo account or demo money, because as I said, I don't want to build up a mindset for treating these evaluation accounts like a slot machine, for example. Like, oh, I lost it, credit card, just buy another one, ding, and then, you know, go on to the next one. Oh, I blow this one as well. No problem, it's just prop firm, ding, buy a new one. And after 10 accounts, maybe I get to the funded and then I get blown again. No. Anyway, you got my point. So next up is organizing computer. Camille, that's awesome. Tom, what's up? You're going to be angry with me. I'm drinking. I am drinking. I overtraded, over leverage. I almost blew a 5K account. Not good for me. Very poor performance on my. What the hell?
What did you do?
I should be ashamed of myself.
What did you do? What did you do? What did you do?
What did you do there, hello teacher? Don't worry. Hey, it's just a 5K prop firm account. I know, but we learn from mistakes. I mean, I was just talking about this, but don't worry. I can reset Apex account, but I can't not reset my live account. Yes. Hello teacher FX, don't worry about that. What the hell? That's so true. That was just Supergirl if you're referring.
What did you do?
Oh, we might be having an entry. Oh, hold on. Hold on, I'm missing my entry here. Something is happening. Something is happening. All hands, something is happening. Everybody to deck, all hands. Everybody, your stations, all hands. We might be having an entry. No, we don't. Okay. It was a drill, no entry. Only a drill. Okay, just a drill. That's so true, yeah. Hello teacher FX, don't worry about it, man. I know that you have it in you. I know that you can do that. I'm 100% confident that everybody blown a lot of prop firm accounts by the time they get to that point that you know they can upkeep their account. As I said, it's also a different test just to keep an account. So forget the profits for a while. You should, I mean, not just you. It goes for anyone who is trading a prop account for. Anyway, let that be one of the first goals. Keep the account for 30 days, even at break even. You don't have to make it to the profit level. If you trade it almost every day like a day trader, and you manage to keep the account above break even, then you're better than 90% of other traders out there with prop firms. Don't worry, but let's not talk about monthly fees or anything like that. If you can keep a prop firm challenge account, and forget the money right now. If you trade every day and you can keep the account above break even after the first 30 days, you did much better than 90% of other traders. That's it. That's the reality. Because then you you had the discipline for a month. Even though you may have not had reached the profit target, but you kept the account, and that's all that matters. Protected your capital. Everybody has bad times, guys. Everybody. That's why we're doing this. That's why we're trying to do everything to learn and overcome these things. Okay, so no trade on the previous one. I'm still in the Russell trade here. Let's see how this goes. The market structure shift was here. Okay. So now that we're hovering at this 900 level, I'm still favoring the longs. So let's see if we're gonna get it or not. Short ES 520. Okay. Okay, Camille is short ES 520s. $5.20. All right. Could be good. I don't see my entry here, but you know, you can go down below 5,017, sweep some liquidity from Asia lows, even go below 513, and we have this higher lows here, so there's definitely liquidity to the left on the 1 minute. I don't have my entry right there. Hard way is the best way to learn. Exactly. 22 is your stop. 22.50. Okay, that's reasonable. That's a reasonable stop. Less is more. Exactly, guys. Exactly. All right. I don't think I'm taking more trades in this session. We'll see what happens in New York. I'm gonna leave my Russell trade open, and that's it. I'm gonna be coming back in New York, and we'll see if it gives us something for Friday. And guys, please push the like button and subscribe, and use my links, please. If you want to buy a new account, I would be forever grateful if you can use my codes. There's some good sales going on at Apex. My Funded Future has starter accounts with no activation fee, so check it out too. I have TOPSTEP links as well. I have BULENOX 83% sale. Go check them out. And guys, I think that's it for the London session. It was good talking to you, and see you guys in New York. I hope some of you guys can check in the New York AM session. Otherwise, have a good morning, evening, day. Everything is awesome and beautiful, and life is great. So see you guys later. Thank you so much for joining me, and see you later.